All right, whether we talk about the shadow or not on this Groundhog Day, one thing is for certain, we are gaining daylight. And even though you won't see it tonight with the thicker clouds, our sundown time 9 minutes before 6 p.m. And at this point in the year, we start to gain over 2 minutes of daylight each and every day. So looking forward to that, even though we're still solidly frozen in the winter season. A few of the views across the area from Lakeside to Marblehead. And look at all that Lake Erie ice that we have that has developed across the area. If you take a look at that, there's two people that are out there walking on Lake Erie right now. That just caught my eye. Pretty incredible how thick that ice is. We've had reports out there of ice that is 10 to 12 inches thick or greater. Maumee River also frozen over, and another view towards Sandusky as well. And of course, if you're going to be out there on the ice, make sure you're doing so safely that you maintain a proper adequate thickness. The forecast going forward is going to be still cold weather this week. In fact, we're going to be in the 20s most of the week. Mixed clouds and sun can be a little more likely by about midweek. So we're going to be looking forward to the chance we get some brighter skies. It has been cold, though. Temperatures in the 20s right now. In fact, we started the morning. Were you out early? Single digits above zero. It was 3 degrees in Bowling Green, 4 in Toledo. And let me widen the perspective out because it wasn't just us. We were in the single digits here in Northwest Ohio earlier today. Look at Florida. They were down into the lower 30s, some areas into the 20s. And consider this. I found an area, Iceland, this morning that was in the 40s. It was close to 35 degrees warmer in Iceland this morning than what we had here in Toledo. Much of the area right now, we are in the 20s, well below freezing. We're going to stay below freezing the rest of the night tonight. We can look forward in the hour-by-hour forecast. Here's what it's going to feel like out the door Tuesday morning. Single digits with the wind chill, mid to upper teens for the actual air temperature. We don't move much from the low to mid-20s through the afternoon, and it gets even colder into Wednesday morning. Likely to slip just below zero with that wind chill factor, and temperatures in the single digits. Tonight will be mainly cloudy, a bit on the chilly side, 18 degrees for the overnight low. Highs on Tuesday, right around 26 degrees. Couple flurries, otherwise mainly cloudy skies and overall fairly dry weather. Better chance to get some sun Wednesday and into Thursday. Low to mid-20s will round out our Wednesday and Thursday. We do jump back into the 30s. That could be the first day in quite some time we actually make it above freezing, but it will come with some light snow showers and windy conditions. Then teens into the weekend Saturday. Another shot of colder air, but there is a February thaw out there toward the end of that 10-day forecast. We'll have highs as we get into Wednesday, Thursday. They'll likely make it back toward 40 degrees.